In this video, you'll learn how to add a custom order status in WooCommerce without writing any code. By default, WooCommerce does not allow you to create new order statuses. You can only use the ones that come built in, like processing, completed, or on hold. But many stores need more control over their order workflow. For example, you might want to use statuses like in preparation, waiting for stock, or quality check. These help you organize your process and make it much clearer for your team. So, how can you add a custom order status? The easiest way is to use a plugin. In this tutorial, we'll use SDP Custom Order Status for WooCommerce. Once you install and activate the plugin, you'll see a notice that lets you create your first custom status right away. Click the button, and you'll be taken directly to the status creation screen. Now let's create a new status. First, enter a name for your status. For example, in preparation. Next, you can choose a color. This helps you quickly identify the status in the orders list. You can also select an icon to make it even more visual. Then, you can define the next status in the order flow. This determines which action button will appear first when managing orders. You'll also find several useful options. For example, you can allow downloads for this status, treat it as completed, or make orders editable. These settings help you adapt WooCommerce to your exact workflow. You can also configure email notifications. This allows you to automatically notify the customer or the admin when an order enters this status. Once everything is set, publish the status. Now, when you edit an order, you'll see your new custom status available in the drop-down. And that's it. You've successfully added a custom order status in WooCommerce without writing any code. If you want to go further, you can create multiple statuses and build a complete order workflow tailored to your business. Check out the other videos on this channel to learn more about automations and advanced configurations.